3D printing or additive manufacturing is a process of making three-dimensional solid object from digital file. I am Mohan, Manufacturing Officer at Addere Creations. In today's video, I will be telling you all you should know about the 3D printing. 3D printing is the opposite of subtractive manufacturing, which is cutting out, alloying out a piece of metal or plastic with, for instance, a milling machine. The creation of a 3D printed object is achieved by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. Each of these layers can be seen as a thinly sliced cross-section of the object. 3D printing enables you to produce complex shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods. Today, I will take you to the workflow of 3D printer and also give you an idea on where 3D printing can be helpful. The 3D printer over here consists of three main axes, namely X, Y and Z. We have a print bed on which the 3D printing happens, an extruder which takes a filament, heats it and deposits it on the print bed. The stepper motor controls movement of the axis and the extruder. The main board controls all the working of the 3D printer. We insert the filament, select the file to 3D print and click print for the printer to do its work and give a physical model as output. You have understood the working of a 3D printer and I am sure you are interested to understand how 3D printing is useful. 3D printing has long passed the point of being viewed only as a prototyping solution. Every day, companies are finding new ways to incorporate the technology into their production, with application ranging from tooling to spare, replacement parts, and some end-use components. From automotive to consumer goods, companies across the industries are becoming aware of the advantage of 3D printing offer for the production. There are, of course, the well-published cases. For example, large automotive companies like Ford, volkswagon and BMW are already producing 3D printed parts for their vehicles. Late last year, BMW announced that it had fitted its 1 millionth 3D printed part for its BMW i8 Roadster. The next step for both the technology and the industries will be to maintain this momentum and work towards enabling more application on the larger scale. We at Addere Creations are working on the same aspect. That's right, changing how industries prototype their ideas helps students as well as innovators on their new distinctive project across various domains to produce functional and structural parts. With the help of our 3D printers, we can fabricate end-use parts in industrial grade materials at lower costs without compromising quality while achieving dimensional accuracy. We reach out our services to various fields like engineering, manufacturing, medical, architecture, automobile, education, aerospace, etc. We act as a platform for companies to use 3D printing and come up with innovative products. Small case as well as large scale industries, startups, makers and others use our service at Addere Creations to bring their designs to life. If you or your business belongs in the following field, then we can help you with 3D printing. Engineering, architecture, medical, education, automotive, defense, aerospace, construction, dental, consumer, jewelry, art, gifts, packaging, toys, pharmaceutical, electronics, cosplay, fashions, prosthesis, robotics, space, music, food and more. Get in touch with us today and join us in the third industrial revolution, 3D printing. Thank you.